You are in Photoshop, and for your little project you need to open up 2 or more photographs for a little project you're working on. And as with all things computers, there's more than one way to do things, but this is the way that I do it, which may not necessarily be the quickest, but it works for me. So I come over to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack, and from there you can browse on your computer, and being an organized person you would know where they are, or you would have made a folder for them to find them easily. Hit browse. Mine are on my desktop in a demo folder. Now the photographs that you want, select them one at a time. To select them all, click the first one, hold shift, click the last one, selects them all. Click the first one, click the third one, we'll pick the first 3. If you want others but not all of them, click the one that you want, hold the control on Windows and click the other ones that you do want, and it will select them. I want all of them, so I'll click the first one, hold shift, click the last one, hit OK, and here they are loaded into the dialog box, ready to go. You can do other stuff here, automatically align them or create smart objects. We just want to open these into Photoshop on separate layers, so hit OK, wait for Photoshop to do its magic, and bottom right you can see them loading nicely into separate layers, ready for you to work on. Thanks very much, and cheers.